Have you heard of the tug of war with the pain monster? Imagine you are on one side of the rope and the monster on the other side, and there is a bottomless pit between the two of you. And if you don't fight hard, you will be pulled by the beast to the pit. So you keep pulling, but the harder you pull, the stronger the monster gets. It gets bigger, so you have to pull harder and harder. You get tired and don't have the energy to do other things. You look behind you and everyone else is living their lives. They are going to work, getting a school degree, getting married, having children, traveling and socializing. And you are constantly here fighting the monster. Have you become obsessed with this monster? And does your life have little meaning now? If you answer yes, then this video is for you. Let's talk about what you can do about the pain monster today. This is an analogy that we use when we see a patient with chronic pain trying so hard to fight against chronic pain that they become exhausted and don't have any energy left. I have seen patients in this tug of war for 5, 10, 20, 40 years. The more they fight to eliminate pain, the stronger it gets, and the more difficult it is for the patient to fight against it. Of course, you want to eliminate this monster, but in this fight with the pain monster, you are becoming weaker. Your energy is drained, and you don't have the energy to do the things that are important and meaningful to you anymore. Please remember, this video is not medical advice. If you think you have a pain condition, please talk to a healthcare professional. And if there is an emergency, please go to the nearest emergency department or call an ambulance. This video is for educational purposes only. What can you do about the tug of war with the pain monster? You need to understand that you are not here to win this game. The only thing you can do is to drop the rope. When you drop the rope, look behind you. Your friends, family, and job are all there. You have a choice. You can turn your back on the monster and go back to living your life. This is the principle of psychotherapy called acceptance and commitment therapy, or ACT. Acceptance does not mean that you will accept this pain and will not fight it anymore. No. You will still aim to eliminate it, but now you will put more energy into the things that you can control and that are meaningful to you. So, how do you drop the rope with your pain monster? You're not going to ignore pain. That is to ask you to do something impossible. If you try to ignore the monster, it will get angry, stronger, and more prominent, okay? So don't do that. What do you do then? You acknowledge them, you recognize them, and you accept their presence. Stop for a moment. Take a deep breath now. The pain is there, by your side. Now, the pain is not trying to fight with you. The monster is just there. And you are not trying to fight it. It is just sitting beside you. You can't ignore it. Repeat these sentences with me. Fighting this pain is only draining my energy. I am strong and I have survived up to this point. I acknowledge this pain, but I know the sensation will not last forever. I have a choice. I can focus on resisting the pain, or I can focus on my life and what is important to me. I can't control this pain, but there are many other things that I can control. I'm not playing this game with you anymore. This tug of war game with you is exhausting. I'm going to create some space for myself. So how do you feel about this? Does this bring you some sense of calm, a sense of control over your life? I hope it does. Because resisting the pain will not make it go away. The stress caused by the fight will only increase the stress neurotransmitters in your brain, adrenaline, cortisol, and they can make the pain more intense. Resisting the pain will cause sleep problems, insomnia, worry, and fear. And those emotions and feelings will make pain stronger and more prominent by amplifying the pain sensations in your pain system. If you want to try acceptance and commitment therapy, find a psychotherapist trained in ACT. And if you want to practice more relaxation, breathing, or meditation exercise, visit my course here on YouTube. Look for the courses tab. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.